Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to watch free movies on the Tubi app. So first, download the official Tubi app on your supported device and open the app and create an account or continue with the available guest option. Now browse the movie categories or use the search bar to find a movie that you want to watch. Then select the movie you want to watch and press play. Since Tubi is an ad-supported streaming service, you will need to see the advertisements while watching. The movies and shows available can vary depending on your location and licensing agreements. And if a title isn't available, search for another movie in the Tubi catalog. So that was how to watch free movies on Tubi without needing a paid subscription for the free catalog. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.